Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we focus on metals, mining, and more. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson, where today we will provide an update on Riverside Resources, where knowledge is golden, trading on the TSXV symbol RRI and on the OTC symbol RVSDF. Joining us for a conversation is the President, CEO, and Director of Riverside Resources, Dr. John Mark Staude. Before we begin, allow me to convey to our listeners that Riverside Resources is a sponsor of Proven and Probable, and that we are proud shareholders of Riverside Resources for the virtues we will convey in today's message. Dr. Staude, welcome to the show, sir.
Wonderful to be on the show, Maurice.
John Mark, you and I talk offline frequently about Riverside Resources' resolve to increase shareholder value. That commitment continues to come to fruition as Riverside Resources has some exciting news coming out of Sonora, Mexico on the Glor Project. What can you share with us?
Man, we're so happy. We've been working on the Glor Project with our joint venture partner, Centerra Gold. And now, in this news that we're putting out, they've agreed to drill in this year. Right now, 2017, we're getting the rigs out there to drill. And we're excited by that because we have a new target, the Puerto El Almo target. And what we see is big potential near the surface, having a major company like Centerra drilling. And this target has the potential to be a really big, neat new discovery. So we're very excited right now for Riverside.
Now, how many meters will Centerra be drilling here?
It's excellent. It's 1,200 meters, probably at about 200 meters each hole, so about 5 or 6 holes into the program. And these holes will drill over some of the geophysical features that we've now delineated, some of the soil anomalies, and some of the rock chip. So with these drilling program, 5 or 6 holes will be the initial step to this new target. So it's right in our sweet spot. We're delighted to have this program.
And who's doing the funding on this?
You know, we really like this program, and we have Centerra Gold funding it 100%. We do the sweat, they bring the capital, and we work together. That's the type of program that Riverside loves to do, where we jointly share in the exploration upside, and they provide the capital that helps de-risk the project for both of us.
Now, John Mark, for someone new to the Riverside Resources story, tell us about the project generator model and how it works.
We really like it. And the way the project generator model works is we as generators go and find good projects that have potential for big discoveries, often with partners, for example, right now with Centerra Gold or drilling with another partner, Silver Viper. The project generator acquires the project and then brings an investing partner, such as a major company, to de-risk it and move it ahead together. This way, both companies have a chance to win, to be successful, and from Riverside's standpoint, we have a limited downside. We don't have to do the expensive work to develop the project. And we have a built-in partner, for example, Centerra Gold, that's a miner. Riverside doesn't have to become a miner. We become a royalty holder and joint venture interest. It's a great way for us to have a tight share structure and be exposed to many different projects simultaneously.
You know, John Mark, congratulations to the shareholders and to both Riverside Resources and Centerra Gold, respectively. John Mark, Riverside is known for being a good steward of capital. What can you tell us about the current status of the share structure?
The share structure is vital. You know, Riverside's been going 11 years, and we have 44 million shares out right now. It's a tight share structure. We've been able to actually work on over 40 projects. Thus, we've diluted with almost less than 1 million shares per project. That's phenomenal. So having a tight share structure provides amazing upside, amazing swing on a discovery. Riverside's in a great position now with Glor drilling.
Now, how much debt do you have?
You know, we don't like debt. We don't have any debt. We have cash in the bank, and we really believe that if we can't make the things work, then we don't overspend our money. We've always had cash in the bank so we can be opportunistic. In this case, we have over $3.5 million in cash. And also recently, we got awarded another $500,000 coming in from some tax that was outstanding that the Mexican government's going to pay us back. We also have other share payments coming to us as well. So Riverside's in a very strong financial situation.
I'm going to ask you a question a mutual friend of ours loves to ask you in the public domain at conferences, which is Rick Rule of Sprott Global Resource Investments, and that is, what is the current enterprise value?
The enterprise value now is really very low. The enterprise value now is less than $8 million. And that doesn't include the price of all the shares we have as well. So we're not even including those shares. We're putting those at zero value. We put those shares into the market as well. The enterprise value slips down to only $6 million. So with us having amazing upside, multiple projects, resource assets, Riverside's definitely at a 52-week low, down at a low point in our price cycle, and very excited. In fact, I bought more shares last week myself.
Well, I will be including you in that same action as we have tax loss selling, which factors into this as well. Well, we realize a number of quality names, such as Riverside Resources, tends to be sold off for that very reason. So this is a great opportunity for our subscribers to reconsider their portfolio and deploy some capital into quality names such as Riverside Resources. John Mark, we've covered the good. What keeps you up at night that I don't know about?
Well, it's really important to keep our partnership with Centerra Gold. So for us, we're excited by the drilling program now, and we have approved a program of $800,000 for the coming year. What keeps me up is that hoping that project does continue to go. But if it doesn't, we'll have the project back, and I have actually got already lined up people that are interested in the project. So for us, it's making sure that we get the next deals done. I know we will. In fact, I was up last night, not in a negative way, but in a positive way. We're working on additional deal terms. So what's been keeping me up at night is the busyness of getting deals done, moving ahead with multiple different programs. So Riverside's actually not sleeping much because we're pretty active and very excited by what we have going.
Well, I know shareholders and myself are delighted to hear that. Finally, what did I forget to ask?
I think it's great, and you've asked some good questions. The one thing that we're wondering is what's happening with the rest of the portfolio, and I think two other projects. One of them is the Clemente project, where Silver Viper has been drilling, and we'll look forward to having news about the Clemente drilling with Silver Viper. It's their project, so it's their news to put out. We look forward to that. And also the Cecilia project, where we just got back that we've been getting some good targets, some good progress, and have put out on the website some new information in geological and three-dimensional models and movies. So I think going to our website gives you a chance to really see what else Riverside has going in the portfolio.
John Mark, for someone listening that wants to get more information on Riverside Resources, please share the contact details.
It's really simple. It's just rivres.com, RIVRES.com. Or please give us a call, 778-327-6671.
And give us the name also for your investor relations contact there.
Rafi is just awesome, R-A-F-F-I. Rafi is fabulous. It's wonderful to have him on the team, and he's available in the office every day, and we'd love to have him or myself to speak to any investors.
And again, for our subscribers, please don't be gun shy. Rafi would love to take on any of your questions and concerns. And last but not least, please visit our website, www.provenandprobable.com, where we interview the most respected names in the natural resource space. You may reach us at contact@provenandprobable.com. Dr. John Mark Staude of Riverside Resources, thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.